The molar mass of an atom is just simply the amount of grams in 1 mole of that substance. And you can look in the periodic table to find the molar mass. For example, oxygen, if I were to find the molar mass of oxygen, I would find it on the periodic table. And this atomic weight down here tells me the number of grams of oxygen there are in 1 mole of oxygen. Now, it's listed as 15.999. For the most part, I'll have you round to the nearest tenth. So if you put 16.0 grams, and this is grams per mole, that is the molar mass of oxygen. 1 mole of carbon, I find carbon on the periodic table, it's 12.011 or 12.0 grams in 1 mole. A mole of hydrogen, once again, find hydrogen on the periodic table. Here it is down here. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. Get 1.0 grams in 1 mole of hydrogen. Okay, so the molar mass tells you the number of grams of a substance in 1 mole of that substance. If you wanted to find the molar mass of a compound, that's 2 or more different atoms joined together. You would have to find the mass of each individual atom and add them up. For example, water, there's 2 hydrogens, so hydrogen times 2, and there's 1 oxygen. So I have to find the mass of 2 hydrogens and the mass of 1 oxygen, and I have to add them together. So let's take a look. For hydrogen, right, we said it's 1.0 grams per mole, but I have 2 of them. So if I multiply this by 2, I'm going to get 2 grams of hydrogen. And with oxygen, it is 15.999 or 16 grams per mole. So I've got my 2 grams from my hydrogen plus the 16 from oxygen. So the molar mass of H2O is 18.0 grams per mole. So I'm just simply finding how many of each atom I have. I had 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Find their molar masses, and I add them together to get the molar mass of the entire compound. So if I wanted to find the molar mass of this carbonate ion, I would need to add together 3 oxygens, 1 carbon to get the molar mass of carbonate. For ammonia, I'd have to add together 4 hydrogens and 1 nitrogen, and I would get the molar mass, or the amount of grams in 1 mole of that substance. So every single substance, every single compound is going to have a unique molar mass because it is made up of different atoms that all have different molar masses themselves.